Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make honey soy chicken wings in the air fryer. It is very tasty and healthy recipe. For this I have taken 500 gram chicken wings. For marination, take 1 teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add all the spices to the chicken and mix it well. Set the marinated chicken aside. Meanwhile, prepare the seasoned flour. Take 1 cup of flour, put it in a big bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt or according to your taste. Mix all the spices into the flour. Now coat the marinated chicken wings in the seasoned flour nicely. Set the air fryer to 250 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Preheat for 5 minutes. Then put the chicken wings in the baking pan and roast for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip the chicken wings and roast for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare ingredient for the sauce. Take half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt or according to your taste, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon honey. Turn on the gas to a slow flame. Keep a pan, add half cup of water, tomato ketchup, soy sauce and all the spices. Stir well, then add vinegar. At the end, add honey. When the sauce starts bubbling, pour the prepared sauce into a bowl. Add the roasted chicken wings and toss until all the wings are properly coated. Now transfer the coated chicken wings to a plate and sprinkle sesame seed. Now look at this. Our healthy and tasty honey soy chicken wings are ready. Please give this recipe a try. If you enjoy the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching my